Yo, what's Gucci YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video on the Brand Flakes TV, and this video is just going to be on my recent pickups from Nike. I have two pairs of sneakers to show you guys, and one is an unboxing from Nike.com, and this one I got at the Nike outlet for like $37. So let's just hop into it right now. Alright you guys, so this sneaker pickup right here, I'm just gonna hop into the video. I'm trying to make it quick. Your boy has to go to work, and I know the mustache looks weird. For those who've rocked with me for a while, I've never grown out my facial hair, but I'm trying to, try new things, so I'm trying to grow out the mustache. But yeah, so moving on. The first pickup, I did pick this up from the Nike outlet on a hash wall sale. I got this shoe for $37 after my discount. It came out, it was $175 originally, and then it was $59.99 with the 20% off, and then my, can't say, but you guys know where I work. But yeah, so Nike box, red box, size 10. This is a Zoom Talaria 16, and here's the shoe right here. This was kind of more of an impulse buy, but I did like how these look like on feet, and I did see a couple people wear them, and I was like, you know what, $36, not too bad. I could rock with these, so I picked them up. This is the Zoom Talaria 16 in the Volt colorway. I know it came in like all black, blue, all that stuff, but I wanted to get the Volt colorway. Super sick, nice colorway. Here you go, just a quick glance. Here are both shoes. I suggest checking out your Nike outlets, see if they have these. I know these are not available on Nike.com anymore, because back then I was gonna purchase them, but now they're not available. So when I did see these at the outlet, I was like, you know what, let's pull the trigger. So I did buy them. Zoom Talaria, just a nice shoe to slip on and off. They're not super comfortable, but they're like really comfortable to where I could get like by. I'm not gonna wear them to Disney comfortable, but I'll wear them to, like a 6-hour day walking around or something like that. But it's not like a let me throw them on a Disneyland, Universal, my feet won't hurt type of comfortable. That's just in my personal opinion. But yeah, so Zoom Talaria, quick pickup. And then this box is from, actually, it's not from the outlet, it's from Nike.com. So I'm very excited about this. This is my first pair of this shoe. I'm not gonna state what it is, but maybe the title will have it, I'm not too sure. But let's just hop into it. Gold knife.
It's a knife.
Always. Like I said, this is my first pair of this shoe, and this shoe came out last year, I believe, and the hype on it as far as, everything goes, last year's Air Max Day was really big. So here you go, out of the box. As you guys can see, it is a Vapor Max box. Vapor Max on the side. I was kind of iffy about this colorway, but I was like, you know what? Let me just try something different. It is a nice shoe. It looked nice on pictures, so let's see how I like them in person. Hopefully I like them. But this is the Nike Air Vapor Max P. I don't know what the P stands for, but let's just open it up. Alright, I mean, they're... They're cool. Not too sure how I feel about these. I'm not as excited as I was when I bought them online. They look alright in person compared to the pictures. But the pictures, to me, in my honest opinion, looked way better. This orange bubble is low-key like really bright, and it's just different. I don't know how I feel about these. I honestly might not or might keep them, but I know I've always wanted a pair of Vapor Maxes, and this colorway is not too bad when you look at it down, because it's just black when you're looking at it downwards, I guess you can say. But this is my first pair of Vapor Maxes, so I'll give them a shot. We'll see what happens. The only colorways I really liked of the Vapor Max were like all those gray colorways, like the Asphalt. The first colorway was sick. So I'm not too sure how I feel about this colorway that I got. I did go true to size. I went size 10. I'm throwing them on right now just to see how your boy feels. I know I always do this, but there you go, with the soccer pants on. Yeah, so Zoom Vapor Max, this is my first Vapor Max. I'm excited for Air Max Day. Hopefully your boy can scoop up those Sean Weatherspoons. And then, like I said, here are the two pickups from Nike, Zoom Talaria and the Air Vapor Max. What the hell am I saying? But I'm actually very excited about this shoe now that I'm filming about it. When it was sitting in the boxes, I was like, do I want these? Do I want to return them? But now that I'm filming on it and it looked really nice on camera, I'm actually very excited about Talaria. The Talaria for $36 more than the Vapor Max, but that's just my opinion. Alright you guys, that wraps up the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. Your boy's really on the fence about the Vapor Maxes. I honestly am not as excited as I was when I you know, ordered them, but we'll see if I keep them or not. For now, they will sit and we'll just think about it. But there you go, first Vapor Max pickup, and then I'm very excited about the Talaria. This month of February has just been crazy for sneakers. I only picked up the things I really wanted, like the gold toes I was kind of iffy about. I really wanted 2 pairs of the black cements. I'm sure everybody could have done it because it was a super easy and smooth release as far as the black cement goes. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Everything will be linked down below as far as social media wise. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Peace.